Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you so much for coming and joining with me once again. I hope you all doing good. Today I have a very classic famous pasta dish for you. It is called spaghetti aglio olio. It's very famous everywhere in the world and it is originally from Italy. So let's go through the ingredients first. It's very simple. You can find it in your kitchen almost every time. So what we need some spaghetti pasta, we need some olive oil, virgin olive oil will be perfect. So we need some fresh garlic fine cut, we need some red chili fine cut, then we need some red chili flakes also, then we need some fresh parsley fine cut. Those are the simple ingredients that you can find in your kitchen, and I'm going to show you step by step. Stay with me and let's go to our kitchen. Thank you. So let's get start. First take the pan, put medium low heat, then add your olive oil around 3 spoon, depend on how much pasta you're gonna use it. So here is very important, don't let it oil get so hot. Before that you can add your garlic. So I'm looking for little bit color on garlic. When you see the color is almost changing, then we're gonna add our fresh red chili. This is not sharp, this is not spicy, sorry, this is not very spicy, so that's why I use a little bit more, because I can get nice color to my pasta. So let it cook. So now we are looking for nice brown color. Our garlic and our chili get little bit color change before we adding our red chili flakes. So you can see now slowly colors start to change, yellow to. Now I will add my chili flakes. I like spicy. This dish has to be spicy a little bit. So you can clearly see color is changing now, and it is very nice flavor is coming out. Also this point we're gonna add a little bit salt. Get nice brown color, but won't burn your garlic. Take a little bit oil from here. I will tell you why, because I want to create my own with this today. Now we want to stop our cooking procedure, so we will add some water. This is very important step. Here now I'm going to make nice omelette, so I want my aglio olio go on top of my omelette. This is my own way, but aglio olio I'm making here, this is classic original recipe. Now you can see clearly oil and water together mixing and reducing and giving good consistency for your sauce. Can you see now? That's what we are looking for. Nice, creamy, oily. There's no water, but still there's a half of we add the water. So what we did, we add water, stop the cooking procedure. So Then we have a nice, beautiful, oily sauce. Now I'm gonna add my pasta. Toast it. Look at that. So beautiful. Add our parsley.
So now we have our spaghetti olio. So wait, I'm gonna make something crazy and beautiful and delicious. So just keep watching.
So we are done with the pasta.
Finish my dish nicely.
Just wait 1 minute. Leave it on the side. And I'll focus for my omelette. Why I'm adding this omelette?